Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we will discuss 3 crucial soft skills for success in the product design industry: decision-making, communication, and problem-solving. Let's start with decision-making. In any industry, decision-making is a critical skill. As a product designer, you'll need to make many big and small decisions. These decisions can range from choosing the right materials to use for a product to deciding on the best marketing strategy. It's important to be able to make informed, thoughtful decisions that take into account all the available information. One way to improve your decision-making skills is to gather as much information as possible before making a decision. This might mean doing research, talking to experts, or even conducting user testing. It's also important to weigh the positives and negatives of each option and to consider the potential risks and benefits of each decision. Next up is communication. As a product designer, you'll need to communicate effectively with a wide range of people, including clients, colleagues, and users. Good communication skills are essential for ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that projects are completed successfully. Finally, let's talk about problem solving. As a product designer, you'll encounter many challenges and obstacles along the way. Being able to effectively solve problems is crucial for keeping projects on track and ensuring that they meet their goals. One way to improve your problem-solving skills is to approach problems with a positive attitude. Instead of getting discouraged when you encounter a roadblock, try to view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. It's also important to be creative and flexible in your problem-solving approach and to think outside the box when necessary. So, there you have it. 3 essential soft skills for success in the product design industry. Remember, by improving your decision-making, communication, and problem-solving skills, you'll be better equipped to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Good luck, and happy designing! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning Mavericks.